Hi guys, Carly here with Recreational Power Sports, here to walk you through a new trade-in that we just got. So this guy here is a 2014 Avalon 2485 rear fish. So it's a 24-foot tri-toon with the rear fish package on it. So starting up here, this guy is on a easy loader pontoon trailer. So nice galvanized trailer. You've got your tongue with the brakes as well. With the easy loader, they do have the nice steps up onto the trailer. Very nice for when you're docking and unloading the boat, just to make it a little bit easier to get on and off. As you can see, the trailer is in good condition. It is a tandem axle trailer as well, so just for that little bit extra. As you can see, the pontoon or tri-toon itself is red with black accents, and the chrome accents as well on it. So really nice, nice color scheme. The pontoon itself is in good condition. A few little wears on it, but really not too much to worry about. As well, this does have the side keels on it, so this is always really nice for while you are docking, that the impact is taken here before it's taken on your tomb to protect them. As well, you can see that it also has the lifting stakes. So the lifting stakes help to get the boat up onto plane a little bit better, helping you just kind of a little bit in the water there. Again, you can see it's a tandem axle trailer, again with the nice chrome accents. And this guy is the Catalina version, so just that little bit more upscale. You've got your 3-step boarding ladder back here, so always nice, help you to get in and out of the water just that little bit easier. As well, you can see that it has the ski bar back there and a nice little platform in the back for just helping you kind of get on and off as well. This guy here does have the Mercury 150 on it, the Pro XS. So this guy is a 2023 Mercury, so it actually still does have warranty on it. All that information is in the listing. As well, we've got the stainless steel prop on it, and this guy has 38 hours on it. So very new, very brand new motor, not a lot of hours on it. As we come along back here, again, you can see just a little bit of a swim platform back here, and you can see the outside is in good condition, not a lot of tears. Also like to note that not only does this boat have a Bimini on it, but it also does have a partial enclosure. So always a nice feature, especially with the fishing models. A lot of people really like it as you're fishing long into the day or early in the morning. Let's hop in and check what the inside has. So here on the inside, you can see just all the nice finishes, of course, that Avalon always has. So we've got a nice kind of beige cream interior with just the red accents on the seats as well. So we've got a bench seating here as well as your bench seating here. Under both of the benches, there is the storage. As well on this side here, you can see that there is the washdown kit in it. Always very nice. Always a nice feature, especially with the fishing models. There is a cover right here that also does access the washdown kit, so you're able to access it that way, as well as a button on the dash for it to work. Nice big open space here. You've got your your side entry gate on this side, which is always really nice. Just helping get on and off the dock a little bit easier. We do have the ski locker here in the middle. Always the nice feature with your tri-toons, just to give you that little bit of extra storage, life jackets, paddles, and for the enclosure when you're not using it. We've got the dash right here. Lots going on the dash. So we've got all of our regular buttons, your stereo here that is Bluetooth capable, as well as your gauges. And then on this one, we not only have one, but two fish finders on it. So we've got your Lowrance as well as a Garmin Echo 200 on it. Tilt steering, always one of our favorites, as well as some nice cup holder down here, and then of course your controls. Very nice helm, little bit of a windshield, just nice comfortable chair and everything. On this side, on the other side, you can see that we've got a nice J bench. So with the bench, lots of space here, as well as with the table. It does rotate, so you can have a little bit depending on how everybody is sitting. Nice spaces for a cup holder, as well as some spaces here for your wine glasses, those kind of things, so that they stay in and they're not going to fall over if the boat is moving or anything. Under this cushion right here, you can see that there's also a storage there. Always a nice place for your garbage can, anything like that. So you can see with the enclosure above, it is really nice. There is two that come down in the front as well to make it a little bit more, as well as some in the back. And then there's also the pieces here that do roll up to give you that little bit of ventilation. So lots that you could do on this depending on the weather. Definitely makes it nice on those cold mornings in the spring, just to make it a little bit more comfortable. As we come to the back, you can see kind of the rear fish aspect. So there's the nice kind of sunbed bench here, a little bit of storage under here. You could also even put a pop-up change room here if you wanted to, as well as the little bit of storage back here. You can see that we have the boot in there for the Bimini. Back here, you've got your two fishing seats. So these guys are always really nice, just to be able to turn and move depending on how it's going, as well as a side or a back gate here to just get on and off the back platform. The fishing area right here, which is always the most popular part and the reason why this is a rear fish. So you've got your spots for your rod holders here as well as here. And then we've got the nice big Livewell. And then the couple of cup holder as well. Again, you can see that it's got the ski bar here, and with the 150, this definitely would help with pulling anybody for a skier, as well as there's the points for pulling on a tube. So this one again is your 2014 Avalon Catalina 2485 rear fish. Bimini enclosure. This does have a cover with it as well. And this guy is ready to go. So 38 hours on the motor, 2023 motor, awesome, ready to go for the weekend. So if you guys have any other questions on this, you can give us a call or check us out online at recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealership. We'd love to show you this boat. One thing I'd like to note on this boat, it's in really, really great condition. There is a little bit of a rip on the seat right here. So just want you guys to be aware of that before you guys come down. Other than that, this boat is, like we mentioned, in really great condition. So come on down and we'd love to show you this boat.